Okay, we have a Mazda 3. This is a 2016 model, and this is the dash layout. So we have scheduled maintenance due. So we've got the service light on. It also has the spanner light down the bottom. So this is a very simple way of resetting the service after you've done it. Doesn't matter whether the engine's running or just ignition on. We're going to need this screen over here. So whatever screen you're in, just press the home button on the top left corner. And then we're going to need the applications button, which is the bottom left one. That then opens up, and as you can see, we've got the spanner symbol showing the area that we need to be in. So we click maintenance, and again it's giving us the scheduled service, tyre rotation or oil change, and in this case the scheduled service is highlighted, 3 days left. So we tap on that, and then it brings you to this menu. We do have reset down here, so at the moment that's what we've got left on the mileage. So we hit reset, and then to confirm the reset, we literally press reset. And that's it, all reset. So we go back over to this screen. That has now disappeared, and also the spanner is gone. Nice and easy for you. Hope that helps. Thank you.